Hey guys, welcome back to the blog. I am alive and well after the passing of Beryl, the Category 4 hurricane. Yes, I am alive and well. Today is Tuesday, a couple of days after Beryl has passed. Yep, I'm alive and well. Guys, I'm gonna cook with me today some bully beef and white rice. So this is what we will be working with. The button of the fridge and the scallion, and you know what else was going on. So just watch what's happening in my kitchen. Right, let's get into it. So you wash the rice until the water is clear. See, water still white, so gotta wash it again. So the water is all clear. You can see the rice. So I'm gonna add my butter and of course my onion. I took some salt. So I'm taking another pot of water. Get these going. So I'm going to prepare the seasoning for the bully beef. Scallion, sweet pepper, onion, pepper. I have no thyme, no tomato, nor garlic. So I'm going to use what I have, and that is that. All done. Alright, so the water is boiling. I'm going to break these up and add them to the pot. A little bit more. So quiet and peaceful. After the storm, there is a calm. Look at the clear blue sky. Outside is back to normal. Yeah, guys, I did some laundry after storm laundry. Some of just fold them up. Whole thing leave for them to be put away. Yep. In the Jamaicans, after them do laundry, take up clothes, it's gonna take a while for us Jamaicans to put our laundry away. Soon put them away though. We'll be back soon. Next time you see me, I will be back in the kitchen. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Amanda's Reality. Be back soon, guys. And I'm back. We turn this fire down. Oh, look at that. So I'm waiting on the oil to hot. I'm gonna add my seasonings. I'm gonna add a little tubs of ketchup. I'm gonna cover it for a minute, then I add my, alright, let me check on the rice. I'm gonna add a little bit more water to the rice. Alright, look at that. Sorry guys, I didn't see when I was adding this thing because I needed my hands, so that's the look. Ooh, it's ready. Alright guys, this is it. Comment below and tell me what you think. Yummy! Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Amanda's Reality. Bye guys, I'll catch you in another video.